are pleased to show you the 2019 Dodge Journey. Dodge Journey combines the practicality of an SUV with the comfort of a car, all while boasting a style all its own. The Journey's optional third-row seat, along with innovative features like a chilled beverage cooler and in-floor storage bins, make it a good and affordable alternative to a traditional minivan. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, CD player, fog lights, compass, power windows, rear window defroster, trip computer, electronic stability control, brake assist, overhead console, panic alarm, tachometer, remote keyless entry, power driver's seat. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.